Friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Globus spirits. So the ticker name is Globus SPR for the Global spirits. Right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of Global spirits along with a few technical indicators and its price historical chart. So the I have a lot of data here since 2009 onwards for global spirits until 2017 October the 30th. Okay, so the point is like global spirits. How far? I mean, what is the first we look into the price historical trend of global spirits. Global spirits has I mean, as per the chart, global spirit has reached its peak 199 rupees 50 paise or somewhere in 2010 itself. Okay, actually it reached in the same price, yeah, in 2007 and 10 and in 2000, yeah, in 2010 itself. And after that, uh, there is a continuous downfall. There is a continuous downfall, and it is like see this one. There is a continuous downfall, and what I'm seeing is like uh, here if you look at the super trend here, this is a technical indicator called super trend, and uh, the super trend has been continuing actually for quite a long period of time, and though there are occasional green color super trends, the red color super trend has dominated this particular stock since quite a long time. So the point is like and right now also, right now uh, until recently you can see this one. Okay, in 2017 also, until recently, that means to this point, September 2017, this stock has been falling continuously, and only recently only in October 2017, there is a green color super trend, and has set in, and stock has started spiking up. But the point here is the if you look at the overall price history of this global spirits, uh, after 2010 it is making new lows, and it has been continuously falling, and it is like the stock is going in a downward direction. That's what I am trying to tell you. Stock has been going in a downward direction, though there are a few spikes, because you see here the technical indicators always gives you guiding points based on the recent price hike, or increase in the price, or decrease in the price. Okay, so the point is it is not just by looking at the indicator and its guiding point. We cannot I mean, we simply can't go by the guiding point. Why? Because we need to look at the big picture, and we need to look from in all the angles based on our experience. Only then we will get the right strategy to follow. I mean, in the future. Otherwise, we will get wrong predictions. So this particular stock is the example. See, overall global splits has been going down. That I already told you, and right now, only here temporarily there is a spike here in the price rise, and actually it started from 80 and reached 101, and it is there is a chance that it may still go up. So that is the thing. Okay, but if you look at the technical indicators, all indicators are looking in the upward direction. Okay, except MACD. MACD is also okay, even the signal line has crossed the red line, and the green bars started populating on top of the baseline. Everything momentum also crossed the baseline and is moving up, and even the ADX. Look at the ADX. This one, the green bar. I mean, the green line has crossed over the red line, and divergence is also happening here. Look at the strength of the momentum. The strength of the momentum is strength of the stock momentum is going down. Okay, that is the only thing. But I mean, this is the actually right prediction here in the ADX. ADX is the in ADX, the strength, this black line is correctly telling actually what is the situation here. The overall situation. The overall situation is the strength of the momentum of the stock is going down continuously. So that is the baseline of this whole thing. Whoever has invested in 2010, by this time, if they are still expecting that the stock will go up, unless a miracle happens, uh, whatever loss you had accumulated so far, I mean, it is not possible for the stock to go up unless a miracle happens, and unless someone pushes the stock up, it is not possible for the stock to reach its past away peak level position, price position. That means 199. Right now, it is trading at 101, but it is like a temporary spike. It looks like a temporary spike, but I don't think so, because based on the price path pattern, I am not sure that this stock, I mean, whatever the price rise is happening right now because of the super trend. I mean, what the super trend indicator is showing here. This will go on. This will go on for the next few months or something, and the stock will rise. And maybe this is a starting point for the stock to rise, and it will cross beyond its previous peak position price. It is not possible. It is not going to happen. That's what I feel, because even the strength, because the strength is lacking. The stock is lacking the strength, to push up the price. That is one thing that I am clearly seeing here. And the second thing is, though the indicators are all looking in the upward direction, but somewhere, look at the MACD and look at the ADX. I am taking these two into consideration here, as based on my experience. But I mean, the point is, like, the directional strength, and the overall the directional strength of the stock is, momentum of the stock is very weak, and it is going down. And though the momentum, look at the momentum graph, though the momentum graph has crossed the zero baseline and is looking in upward direction, I am pretty sure, because this one is lacking, this one is going down, I am pretty sure this one also comes down in the near future. So as for me, based on my experience and the technical analysis, what I did, though there is a spike here, though these two, RSI and momentum, are looking, I mean, are in favor of the price hike here, but I am going with MACD and ADX, and I am concluding that because there is a lack of strength in the stock, in the direction strength of the stock, so I don't think the price rise will happen, so that it will pass its peak price, previous peak price, that is 199. It won't cross that 199 this time. That's what is the analysis. So this stock is not for the long term investment. You can do swing trading, but this stock is not for the long term investment. That is the conclusion of the analysis for this particular stock. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.